How are you all? Hope you all are in good health. Students, today we are starting our chapter number 6, Loopings and Graphics in Small Basics. So let's start the topic.
Dear children, earlier we have learned about the looping statements, and today we are going to learn fancy text for graphics output. First, draw text. You have been introduced to the write method in the previous class that can display numbers as well as strings as an output to the text output area. The draw text method allows you to display the text and numbers on the graphics output area at the specified location. The position of the text can be specified by the x and y coordinates. Syntax: draw text, xy text. In this statement, text represents the string to print in the window, and the point xy is where the string will be located. The string will be drawn in the graphics window using the default brush and the default font. For example, draw text 55 keeps. This method uses the brush color, not the pen color. Text is drawn like other graphics object. Write a program to display on graphics object. First, background yellow, font name Arial, font size 56, font color true, pen color red, height 600, width 500, draw text 100 text. The answer result will be shown on the screen. The draw text method has the following property. First, font name. This argument includes the system font name. The default font name is Tahoma. It sets the font name on the graphics window. Graphics window font name is equals to Arial. Next is font size. Set the height of the text. The default font size is 12, but you can set according to your need. The next is font bold. It can be either true or false. The true formats set the font bold and default value is true. Graphics window font bold true. Next is font italic. Like the previous method, this method also contains two values. The true values format the font in italic. The default value is false. Graphics window font italic true. Now, graphics window methods. The first method is draw line. The draw line method draws a line on a line 1 pixel wide using the default pen color from one point x1 y1 to another point x2 y2. The draw line method draws a line 1 pixel wide using the default pen color from one point x1 y1 to another point x2 y2. Syntax: graphics window dot draw line x1 y1 x2 y2, where x1 y1 represent the starting point and x2 y2 represent the ending coordinates of a line drawn on the graphics window. Next example: graphics window dot draw line 60 50 150 50. The draw ellipse command draws ellipse of a specific height and width around a specified point. The syntax is graphics window dot draw ellipse xy wh, which means xy specify the position of the starting point of ellipse and the wh specify width and height respectively of the ellipse at xy coordinate on the screen. Now example: graphics window dot draw ellipse 60 50 150 50. The output you can see on the screen. Now, to fill the ellipse with a color, you can use the fill ellipse method with the same parameters as you specified in the draw ellipse. Specify the color by using the brush color property of the graphics window object. If you do not specify a fill color with the brush color property, the shape is filled with the default slate blue color. Now let us know more. A brush is like a white pen used to fill areas with a color. It has a single property to set the brush color. Use graphics window dot brush color is equals to color. Now next is draw rectangle statement. The draw rectangle command is used to draw a rectangle on the graphics window by using the current pen color. The draw rectangle statement, it has four numeric parameters separated by the commas. Top left corner of the rectangle is specify its xy coordinates, that is by the first two numbers. The next two numbers specify the width and height of the rectangle. Syntax: draw rectangle xy width height. Next, last one is draw triangle. The draw triangle statement is used to draw a triangle using the selected pen. Draw triangle syntax is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. The graphics window dot draw triangle are 100, 150, 180, 350, 250. The three pairs of xy coordinates specify the 3 points of the triangle. Okay students, in the next class we will be discussing the back exercises of the chapter. Thank you.
Thank you, Shamstars. That's all for today. You can drop your queries on the Google Classroom. Take care. God bless you all.